Today I'm going to show you how to replace a vacuum motor on a Rug Doctor R-40. Now there's several model Rug Doctor box machines. This is an R-40 top. There's a R-101, a 101AC, and an R-150. They're all basically the same. To access the vacuum motor, do not take the switch plate off in the back. On the front, there's an exhaust port. You may have to take it off. You may be able to get by without it. But remove these two bolts on the front and two on the back. And when you flip it over, what you'll do is you'll lift the back motor up and pull it out this way, this housing. And here's how it comes. When it's time to install it, push it in the same way. By doing that, you won't have to remove these wires till the very end, because you can actually tilt the lid like this and lift the bottom out. So here's the housing that's on, and there's three bolts and you can remove it. Originally, this is the vacuum motor that these units came with. And you may happen to have one of these, I doubt it, but if you do, it's best to go to this because this pulls a larger volume of air. They're both two-stage vacuum motors. So you remove these three bolts and you pry the vacuum motor off, and you'll see there's a gasket there. When you put your new vacuum on, be sure to use a gasket. Now, here's a thin gasket. This won't work. You need a thick gasket like this. It doesn't matter how wide it is. This will be just fine. But it's essential that this be glued either to the vacuum motor or to the housing. If not, what will happen is when you turn the vacuum on, the gasket will slowly get sucked into the vacuum. Why this is important is each one of these has a spacer so that you can't over-tighten this. And if you use a thin gasket, you'll tighten it as far as you can, and there'll be vacuum seepage. So remember, it's important to get these tight gaskets. And so then you just do the reverse. You slide it back in to the housing, and you bolt it on. It's very simple. It should take you less than 15 minutes to replace it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can certainly contact us through our website, www.carpetexpress.biz. If you need any parts for any of these machines, we stock them as well. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.